Good morning, everybody. Today we're gonna, I gotta change the battery in my truck. It's 5 years old, and it's been dragging a lot, and it finally went out, or out enough that it won't start the truck. So today, if you're interested in changing the battery in your 2011 F-150, hang around. I know it's rocket science, but hang around. Now I realize that you can go to AutoZone or any of them. They'll probably change it for you, but what I would like to do is I'm going to go to just a battery store, and I think they sell blems or blemish batteries, and you can get them a little bit cheaper. So it's a cost savings, plus it's really not that hard to change out. So let me show you how to do it, and we'll go from there.